Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Freepik AI image generator. However, Freepik, which is now Magnific already, Freepik was already changed and now the name is Magnific, but it's the same feature. So all you have to do here in Magnific, which is formerly Freepik, you just have to create an account. You can sign up using your Google account, your Gmail. All you have to do is to link your email or Gmail to your Magnific account or formerly Freepik. So here I will be just using the Magnific, which is now the name of Freepik, but it has the same feature. So as you can see, all I have to do is to connect my Google account to Magnific, formerly Freepik, and now I can have my account right here. So our tutorial is all about how to use the AI image generator here on the Magnific or Freepik platform. So as you can see here, once I have connected my account, I can now have the website. Then I can use the features here. But of course, in order for you to fully use all the features here, you need to upgrade your Freepik or your Magnific into Pro. As you can see, there is this pricing icon right here. Here you can see the amount that you need to pay in order for you to unlock these features. Of course, it would be better for you to upgrade your plan so that you can use other features here, which are indeed very helpful for your project. Anyways, to start, all you have to do is go to the left side, and as you can see, there is this generate image here or AI image here. And all you have to do is to click that one. So basically, this is what it looks like. And as you can see, all you have to do here is to paste or generate a prompt. In order for you to get a prompt, you can ask ChatGPT or Google Gemini AI for your prompt. And before that, you can also see here different model for your image. So if you know the result of each model right here, you can just basically click. But other models here are not for free. Since I'm just using the free version, my access to these features are just limited. So if you want to have a full access to that, of course, again, you have to upgrade your plan. So you can choose from the specific model or style, and then also you can add here, for example, you can choose from that style here in Magnific or formerly Freepik. You can choose from any of this here. There are tons of features, there are tons of images and style that you can use. But again, if the style has this crown icon, you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to unlock this feature. So you can choose from that, and then here you can add the prompt. But before that, there are also options below that you can choose. And here I am now in ChatGPT to ask a help for my prompt since I don't know how to create my own prompt. But if you have your own prompt, then all you have to do is to type that in the Freepik or in the Magnific, formerly Freepik platform. So I'm going to copy this and then go back to the platform, which is the Magnific, formerly Freepik. Paste the prompt right here, and then I can choose from any of the option. As you can see, if I'm going to tap this one right here, I have my option, and other features right here are again not for free. So if you want to just basically look for or explore this platform, you can just basically click from any of the style that you want here. And once done, then of course, all you have to do is tap on the generate. But before that, you can also edit. As you can see, you can change your prompt. You can add more specific keyword or word for your prompt. And you can also add, like, for example, ambient, something like that. You can add more to your prompt. And then after that, you can now basically click the generate option, or you can explore more if you want. So basically, that's it. Just paste the prompt from ChatGPT or Google Gemini AI. And then after that, you can generate your image here on Magnific or formerly Freepik. So basically, this is what it looks like. You just have to wait And as you can see, these are the results. We have four results right here, and it's up to you if you want to upscale this, if you want to edit this one. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. To click this, just tap the picture and see more information. As you can see, you just have to simply edit this or upscale. But of course, if you want to upscale, you need more credits to that. So you need to upgrade your Magnific, formerly Freepik, to any of their plan right there. So since I'm just using the free version, so I can just basically, maybe edit this one or just save the picture. If I want to upscale this, I need to upgrade, or if I want to do more to this picture, then I need to upgrade my plan. But this is what it looks like. This is the result. If you paste or write or type the correct prompt here in Magnific, formerly Freepik, it will show you these pictures. And of course, these are really stunning. So it's good if you want to create a video, if you want to create a project related to this. All you have to do is to ask ChatGPT or Google Gemini AI for prompt. Aside from that, there are also related the pictures here in the library, so you can also use that. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. So if you want to basically save this, there is the save option, so you can just save the picture if you want. And if you are not satisfied or if you want to generate more, of course, you can go back to ChatGPT or Google Gemini AI again to ask for a prompt. As you can see, if I want to upscale this, I need to upgrade my plan into Pro or from any of their plans right there. So let's just stick to the free version. And this is what it looks like. Now, if I want to download or save, just tap on save, and here it is. Now I will go back to ChatGPT and then I'm going to ask again another prompt. So let's just see if we can still generate using the free version. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and I'm going to copy a prompt right there and then paste it here in Magnific, formerly Freepik, and let's see the result. So let me go back to ChatGPT, copy and then paste the prompt. So let me copy this, go back and then paste. And then after that, tap on generate, wait for a couple of seconds, and I should see the result right away. And as you can see, these are the results. So you just have to save. And then if you want to create a video, you can use CapCut for that or other tools. So basically, this is how easy it is to use Freepik AI image generator. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.